Children, how are you? I hope you're all fine, staying at home and taking a good care of yourselves, isn't it? I hope you're all helping your parents, isn't it? Yes, being at home and learning in a new way is very interesting and fun, isn't it, children? Yes, I welcome you all to today's English class. Children, today's class is going to be very interesting and exciting. Do you know why? Because we are going to start our new lesson, that is the misadventure of Tarun and Tara. Children, Tarun and Tara are siblings, that is brother and sister. Do you know what is misadventure? Yes, misadventure is breaking of rules or not following the rules out of negligence. In this lesson, we are going to learn how Tarun and Tara has learned their lesson at the end of the day. So children, what is our lesson name? Yes, the misadventure of Tarun and Tara. Children, let us start today's our class with the PEP activity. Let us see what is given in the PEP activity. Read these sentences with different emotions as mentioned in the brackets. Children, do you know what are emotions? Emotions are the feelings which we convey in our day-to-day life. So, some of the emotions are angry, sad, happy, excited, nervous. So, these are the emotions which we express in our day-to-day life. Isn't it, children? Yes. So, here 3 sentences are given and we have to express these sentences according to the emotions given in the bracket. Shall we start? Yes, it is going to be fun. What is the first sentence? Give me your notebook. So first we have to express it in a polite way. Give me your notebook. Now angrily. Give me your notebook. Now it is harshly. Give me your notebook. So, shall we move on to the second one? I love chocolates. First we have to say it loudly. I love chocolates. Softly. I love chocolates. Happily. I love chocolates. Now, let us move on to the third sentence. I have a test tomorrow. Sadly. I have a test tomorrow. Excitedly. I have a test tomorrow. Worriedly. I have a test tomorrow. Children, look at the given question there. Did your voice sound the same each time you read a sentence? Discuss. Children, while I was reading these sentences with different emotions, did my voice sound same? No, isn't it? Why? Because I was expressing these sentences with different emotions. Isn't it? Yes. Hope you enjoyed it. Children, read these sentences using these, expressing these emotions. You will have fun. So, we express different emotions through our voice and action. Isn't it, children? We express different emotions in our day-to-day life through our voice and through our action. This is an important feature of a drama. A drama is a story or a situation that is performed by actors. The written form of drama is called a play. So children, what did you understand now? Yes, our story, The Misadventure of Tarun and Tara, is a drama. Okay, so the written form of drama, that is which is in your studio, is a play. Let us read a play about Tarun and Tara who learn a very important lesson on road safety. Children, this is going to be a drama performed by actors. So, the written form of drama is called play. Now we are going to read a play which is related to Tarun and Tara and we will know what lesson they have learnt. Okay, yes, now let's move on. Children, let me now introduce you to the characters in this play. Tarun and Tara, brother and sister. So brother and sister is usually called as siblings. Next, Sahana and Sahil. They are the cousins of Tarun and Tara, who are also called siblings. Next, Ganesh, the driver. And the last character is Traffic Inspector Ashok. Children, these are the characters in our drama or play. Okay. Children, now I will read out scene 1 in our play. So, here is a conversation going on in between the siblings. Can you tell me who are the siblings? Yes, it is Tarun and Tara, Sahana and Sahil. These are the siblings. Okay, now let's see what is the conversation between them. Tarun: I am so excited about the wedding today. Children, do you know what is the meaning of excited? Yes, being eager or waiting for something. Okay, I am so excited about the wedding today. So Tarun is very excited about the wedding which is going on today. Aunt Lakshmi said they will have my favorite jalebis. I cannot wait to go to the wedding. So Tarun is very excited because his favorite dish is going to be there. What is his favorite dish, children? Yes, it is jalebi. So what is the meaning of jalebi? An Indian sweet. Okay, I hope most of you like jalebis, isn't it? Yes. Now, Tara: me too. Now Tara is telling, me too. Now, Sahil: hey Tarun, would you like to go with us in our car since your parents are already there? We are leaving in an hour. So Sahil is asking Tarun and Tara to come with them as their parents are already in the wedding hall. So see what Tarun is going to tell. Tarun: thanks Sahil, but our driver Uncle Ganesh is here already. We are leaving now. We will surely reach before you. Laughs loudly. So Tarun is giving a reply in a sarcasm manner, children. So he is telling that we will reach the wedding hall before you. We are going to go very fast. He is telling in that way. Now see what Tara is telling. Uncle Ganesh is so much fun when he drives. He drives like a flying bee. Buzz. And we whiz past all the slow vehicles in a jiffy. Children, so Tara is telling that driving with Ganesh uncle is so much fun because he drives very fast like a flying bee. So they can overtake all the vehicles which are going slow on the road. Sahana is replying to this. My father also drives fast, but he is careful at the same time. Children, Sahana said, my father also drives fast, but he is careful at the same time. So, children, so this is scene 1. Children, now let's move on and see the meaning of whiz. Speed by with buzzing sound. Speed by with buzzing sound. Now let's move on to the meaning of jiffy. A very short time. Children, I would like to read out this conversation for you once again. You also have to read aloud after the class. Okay, children? Yes, let's start. Tarun: I am so excited about the wedding today. Aunt Lakshmi said they will have my favorite jalebis. I cannot wait to go to the wedding. Tara: me too. Sahil: hey Tarun, would you like to go with us in our car since your parents are already there? We are leaving in an hour. Tarun: thanks Sahil, but our driver Uncle Ganesh is already here. We are leaving now. We will surely reach before you. Laughs loudly. Tara: Uncle Ganesh is so much fun when he drives. He drives like a flying bee buzz. and we whiz past all the slow vehicles in a jiffy. Sahana. My father also drives fast, but he is careful at the same time. Okay, children, now let's see some new words which we have learnt in today's class. Children, you have to write these words in your PRB and practice. Okay, children? Yes, first one, excited, wedding, favorite, jalebis, buzz, whiz, jiffy. These are the new words which we have learnt in today's class. Children, let's move on to the home fun today. Rewrite the following situations using conjunctions and, or, but and because. Children, you have to rewrite the sentences using these conjunctions. Children, in the last class I told you conjunctions are the words which connects two sentences or two words. Here the sentences are given separately which you have to join using these conjunctions. So what are the conjunctions? And, or, but and because. One example is already given for you here. Geeta wants to watch a movie. Rohini wants to visit the park with her. So, children, here Geeta and Rohini are expressing different ideas. So, using but we will join these sentences. Okay. Geeta wants to watch a movie, but Rohini wants to visit the park with her. Okay, children. So, in this way, you have to join these sentences using conjunctions. Okay, children. Children, I hope you all enjoyed today's class thoroughly. Isn't it? Yes. Let us see what is going on in our play in the next class. Okay, children. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.